from my side also. I will actually continue a bit about these trends Päivi already spoke about. Because we see the following trends which are affecting the packaging business. The consumers are now fast and convenient shoppers. There are more and more single households, and the people are really more aware of healthy and safety issues. Also, organic products are more and more popular. Consumers are concerned about the impact on their actions, what is affecting the environment. And renewability and recyclability features in packaging are very important issues. Especially in the supermarkets, the competition for the consumer is tough because of shorter brand life and new brands and private labels. The package has to be attractive. It needs to be different from the others on the shelf. There are multiple demands on packaging. At the same time, it has to be ecological but convenient to use. It must be easy to implement in the filling lines, and it has to attract the consumers by shape or design. While safety is a must, the package also has to be economical. And linking all these features together, the packaging plays a vital role in creating the brand image. And when thinking all what Päivi told us earlier, we really should rethink the packaging of the food. Today, this is a very typical shelf at whichever supermarket you go. The packages of sliced meat and cheese products are packed in plastic, and renewable packaging materials are only few, if any. Stora Enso's wide offering in packaging boards and papers, together with our own extrusion coating technology, gives us an opportunity to develop our materials for demanding food packaging applications. We have several production facilities for both board manufacturing and extrusion plastic coating in different countries. We have captive sales network, and we have a global pulp sourcing. Our food safety experts proactively monitor the changes in regulations, making sure that all our products meet the requirements every day. Our research centers have specialists in their own expertise areas who cooperate with universities and external research institutes. And the R&D is working close together with production and business, which makes it possible to create innovations and packaging solutions. Board is a very good packaging material, but in many food packaging applications it needs a thin layer of polymer on top of it, and then it can be used for different kind of packages. Depending on the food type and storing conditions, the suitable plastic coating should be selected according to the requirements of the packed product. Stora Enso has a possibility to use several different plastics in its extrusion coating. All these plastic coatings are available in our product offering for food packaging. Stora Enso has been able to offer board-based tray material since 1990s. With our Primeforma products, our customers have replaced rigid plastic and aluminium trays, for example in frozen food market. And based on this experience, we have developed the board further to increase the formability properties which are needed in thermoforming without creases. For chilled food market, the tightness of the package is very important. And without creases in the corners, the tray and the film lid can be seamless tight. And modified atmosphere for extended shelf life can be used in the package. Our Primeforma is a tailor-made product for form, fill and seal machines. We have succeeded to create a new product which can be used in the existing filling lines. The packer just needs to put the Primeforma reel instead of our traditional multi-layer film reel into the unwinding station and just start to use it. Of course, some adjustments might be necessary. Primeforma is suitable for small size packages like 100 to 150 gram meat or cheese packages. It is possible to make about 12 mm deep trays. As the main part of the product is board, it can be recycled together with other board-based packages. With Primeforma, you have possibility to change your oil-based packaging to renewable packaging material which comes from forests. Even if it is sealed with a traditional plastic film lid, the main part of the total package is coming, the raw material is coming from renewable sources. Board offers the package its rigidity. At the same time, the package can be printed also on the back side. High barrier plastic coating, which is only 13% of the total material weight, gives excellent barrier properties. Its oxygen transmission rate is very low and it also functions as moisture barrier. Primeforma has excellent grease resistance and additionally it performs as aroma barrier as well. All this means that the food is safe inside. On top of the high barrier properties, the plastic coating of Primeforma can be made with easy peel functions. It is that you don't need to use peelable film as lid material because Primeforma itself can be tight sealed but also offers easy peeling of the lid. Stora Enso has joined Futupack Eco 2010 study. It was concerning the environmental impact of products through the development of packages and eco-friendliness as a driver for packaging design. Involved in this study were scientific partners like universities and research institutes and associations. Stora Enso was one of the companies involved, and the other companies were polymer suppliers, our customers and our competitors. This life cycle study includes production of food, packaging, product loss and end of life. According to the study, the packages have their own environmental impact, but the product in itself will in general cause bigger environmental load than the package. This can be very clearly seen in this picture. But it also tells that the right kind of package is very important to avoid product loss and unnecessary production, which would lead to much bigger environmental load. And the right size of the package are needed to avoid the food to be thrown away. When looking more deep in the packaging part of the study, we can see that Primeforma has the lowest carbon footprint. PPPA trays create 10% more greenhouse gases than Primeforma. APEC tray even 40% more. The film lid was included in all these packages in the study. This study clearly supports the use of board-based packaging material, also from environmental point of view. For the food producer, it is very important that the consumer makes the right choice at the supermarket. With good-looking package, which is different from the others, it is easier to catch the consumer's interest. Even in your hand, the board-based package has a nice feeling, and when taking the opportunity to print the board side as well, totally new possibilities open up for the brand owner. There is no double packing, as the information can be directly printed on top of the board, and no extra labels or sleeves are needed. Primeforma is the sustainable version of modern food packaging. The maximized renewability content with only thin layer of high barrier plastic coating offers the optimal combination for food packaging. This is possible to achieve by this new formable board developed by Stora Enso. Low carbon footprint is now proven by Foodpack Eco study, and we also see the value of possibility to recycle the package in certain areas where the collection for board-based package recycling is correct. So, Stora Enso's Primeforma is a solution for you to reach today's need for renewable food packaging. Thank you very much.